Hello, welcome to Educational Technology 101. In this presentation, we will discuss the basics of the educational technology field, including what it is, how it began, and where this field can take you in your career. Let's begin with a definition. Educational technology is the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological resources. The educational technology field focuses on communicating knowledge to learners using media and using technology to enhance the learning experience. Educational technologists work in a variety of settings where they analyze performance problems within organizations and work to identify and implement a solution. They are skilled at designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating instructional resources and training and learning processes. Professionals in the field focus on improving learning processes in order to help employees acquire skills and improve work performance. They also contribute to organizations by designing, setting up, and maintaining learning management systems to improve training effectiveness. Educational technologists are responsible for applying different learning theories and accomplishing training goals. Career opportunities for educational technologists are seemingly endless. They include but are not limited to the medical field, K-12 and higher education, the business field, and the military. Some job titles include instructional coordinator, chief learning officer, e-learning developer, training and development specialist, instructional technologist, technology integration specialist, and training director. Because the field is so broad, wages vary greatly depending on what sector you choose to work. According to Glassdoor.com, educational technologists with a bachelor's degree earn on average $55,585 per year, while those with a master's earn $62,318 per year. Similarly, the Bureau of Labor Statistics gave an annual wage of $63,750 for those working as an instructional coordinator. And Salary.com states that instructional technologists can earn $58,160 per year. It is also important to note that the field is expected to grow by 10 to 14% in the next 8 years, which is faster than average. The field of educational technology has a rich history and continues to evolve. It goes back to the early 1900s, where media such as slides, study prints, and film were used by instructors to complement lessons. During the 1920s and 30s, audiovisual instruction became popular and spurred the creation of many national professional organizations, such as the Department of Visual Instruction, which is now known as the AECT, or Association of Educational Communications and Technology. As with all advancements, a new way of distributing instruction emerged with the development of television. The Federal Communications Commission designed 242 TV channels to be used for educational purposes. This form of instruction did fade, mostly due to the advent of computers. Personal computers became available in the 1980s, and then, with the invention of the World Wide Web in the 90s, became widely used in education. Along with technology advancements, many psychologists have made contributions in the form of research and theories. B.F. Skinner suggested that human learning was enhanced when instructional materials were incorporated and used in a self-paced manner. Robert Mager was instrumental in teaching educators how to write objectives when planning instruction. Models and theories provided by these pioneers, along with others, are still practiced today. educational technology will continue to grow and change with new research and technological advancements, which requires professionals to be very adaptable. Extensive skills, knowledge, and experience are needed to be a successful educational technologist. The Association for Educational Communications and Technology has established standards for this field. According to the AECT, these standards provide rigorous guidelines for educational programs aimed at professionals in the field. Their goal is to provide research-based standards and best practices so the field has a norm with which to guide professional programs in relation to instructional design. These standards ensure that graduates are able to enter the field with the skills necessary to be successful and advance the field of educational technology. Thank you for your interest in educational technology, and we hope you have been inspired to see just where educational technology can take you.